The pull request passed every check. Acceptance criteria, green. The agent had followed the ticket, line for line. Then the first real user opened it, froze for 3 seconds, and clicked the wrong button. The instinct is to blame the agent. A better model, better prompts, a bigger context window. But none of that touches the actual mechanic. Because the mechanic lives one layer above the agent, in the artifact it was handed to constrain its output. An AI agent generates code from a brief. And when that brief is a text spec, it's dense on what the system does. The rules, the data, the acceptance criteria, and silent on how it feels to use. Layout, sequence, the empty state, the error, the recovery path. Every silent dimension, the agent fills with a plausible default. Watch it happen. The ticket says, filter results by status. The agent ships a dropdown, the most common pattern in its training. But these users flip statuses all shift long. A dropdown is 3 clicks per flip. What they needed was a tab strip. Technically a filter, operationally a regression. Every automated check passed, including the spec the agent followed. So where was this supposed to be decided? Not in the code, on the prototype, before the agent ever ran. This isn't a bug, it's Underconstraint at the upstream artifact. Prose is a narrow channel. One word at a time. A prototype is pixels, arranged in space and time. It carries the layout, the sequence, the states, the error surface, the user's whole mental model, all at once. A prototype is a labeled training example, with the answer key attached. And here's the shift. AI collapsed the cost of writing code, so the cost of alignment now dominates. Put the prototype first, and the PM, the designer, and the engineer disagree in minutes, on pixels. Alignment is cheap in pixels, and expensive in code. Installing this isn't a new tool. It's 5 small rewirings. Whoever owns the ticket builds the prototype. It lands before the spec, not after. Interaction true, not pixel perfect. It's handed to the agent as the constraint, not buried in a link. And a 15-minute walkthrough at review checks the built UI against it. Without that gate, the prototype is just decoration. Now the stack is complete. The spec says what to build. The prototype says how it lands. The quality gates catch what slips through. No single one is enough, but together they're what a real AI delivery pipeline actually looks like. So the next AI tooling project isn't another tool. It's the first load-bearing prototype on every ticket that touches a screen.